So this is my day 3 video. I noticed when I signed off on my last video, I said day 2. I just noticed that now. But anyway, this is day 3. So this is, I'm trying to think here. 3 o'clock on New Year's Eve. Like 48 hours since I had my operation. I was feeling pretty good this morning. My knee was sore, but I was able to move, or when I moved, it didn't hurt as much. So I was able to do my exercises this morning without having to stop and not complete them. So that was the first. So my day had gone pretty good. And the pain in my upper thigh had lessened somewhat. So that's good as well. But all the good things must come to an end, I guess. So here is a tip. When you're going through this process and you're, sitting around, don't sit in a chair too long. Sitting in a chair too long really put pressure on my knee, and even though I was stretching it out, it started stiffening up, and so I went to do my stretches, and I couldn't. So that's just a little bit of a warning. Do not sit in a chair for any length of time. Do not have your knee bent. It's not good. And so now I'm dealing with it. I'm just trying to get it to settle down so that I can do my exercises. I probably won't until I take the painkillers in an hour, and then maybe it'll settle down a little bit and I can get in 2 reps of my stretches today. I'm supposed to do 3. So that's just a little bit of warning. Don't sit in a chair for an extended period of time. Make sure that you're constantly moving and, walk around with your walker and just keep that joint in motion. Anyway, I'll continue this in a little bit. This is just the first part. Anyway, talk to you in a bit. Well, this is New Year's Eve. It's 6 o'clock. I'd made a little video before, which I'm going to stitch together, about some of the problems that I had today and how sitting in a chair for a long period of time affected my knee. So in the future, I'll be making sure that I'm not sitting down for a long period of time and just change it up. But anyway, so my knee's swollen again a little more. The swelling had gone down today. This morning, everything seemed to be better. I still had pain when I wasn't moving, but I didn't have as much pain when I was changing position or, going to get up or moving my leg. And I was able to work through the exercises, all of them, and with varying degrees of pain, but I was able to do it. So after sitting in the chair, I was not able to do the exercises. Everything has been pushed back a little bit, and I guess that's, 2 steps forward, 1 back, I guess. It's just the way it is. So now, I'm just going to keep, take it easy, not do too much, and see what it's like tomorrow. I did sleep last night for about 4.5 hours. So last night was better than the night before. So day 3 was better than day 2. But there are some there's some issues, and that you just got to keep mindful of. Just as you're recovering, don't maybe walk too much, although you have to walk, but don't sit in a chair for a long period of time. I was even moving my leg and curling my toes, and it was just I guess I did something that I sat in the chair for too long. Whatever, it is what it is. So that's my experience on day 3. I've been still using the ice pack. I'm still doing the exercises when I can. And I'm just trying to follow everything that needs to be followed. But that's my day 3. A little bit of a setback, but I'm going to see what happens tomorrow. Anyway, I'll see you in day 4.